Welcome to Time Out.
Hi, welcome to Time Out Season 3.
And this season we're doing snacks and ladders. Snacks and ladders.
Yes, and we're calling it Snacks and Ladders because these are snacks that moms can make for kids to take to school, as well as snacks that they can do at home. Right, Daria?
Yeah.
And today we're going to do something called a Spanish Delight.
Spanish Delight.
It's a mix and a take on a Spanish omelet, but we're doing it more of a kid's version. So it doesn't have onions, tomatoes, and things like that, but you can always go ahead and add them if you'd like.
And the ingredients are eggs, cream, cheese, sausages.
All right, Daria, let's start.
Okay.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is break 4 eggs.
Okay.
Okay.
So Samuel can do it.
Okay, I'll do one, you do one. We can do it together. Knock, knock, knock. Hold it with both hands and break them. Good job. Good job.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, one more.
Okay, Mama. Just wait.
All right, ready? Knock, 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 knock. And break. Good job. Okay, next we're gonna put in some shredded cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Okay, and we're gonna last put some cream before we cook up the sausages, okay? Okay, so let's pour out some cream. So this is a cow and it's got cream coming out of its mouth, look. Okay, Daria, now we're gonna whisk it.
Okay. It's turning so yellowish.
Yes, that's because of the yolk of the egg.
And the cream.
And the cream is white, so it'll give it a light yellow color now. And now we're gonna cook the omelet, and while we cook the omelet, we're gonna also fry up the sausages on the side and add those last before we flip the omelet over. All right, Daria, you ready?
Okay.
Sure. Omelet, the Spanish Delight.
Okay.
Does it look amazing?
Yes.
What does it look like?
Sausages.
Sausages. So there's all the yummy ingredients in here. There are eggs, there's cream, there's sausages, and tons of cheese, as you can see. It kind of looks like a pizza, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so do you want to know what it tastes like?
Yeah.
Should we go ahead and cut it? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead
Can I
and...
help you?
Sure. Okay, and I'm going to turn the plate. Yeah, it smells like pizza.
It's so divine.
It smells divine.
Yes. Yummy. I want to eat the whole thing.
You can eat the whole thing.
What?
You're gonna be very full if you eat the whole thing and you won't have dinner. This can be dinner.
Yeah, this can maybe. Can you make this for dinner, Mama?
Sure, you can have it right now for dinner if you want.
Not right now, in the night. Okay?
Sure.
Butter. You're a
Alright,
butter.
now that we've cut them up and I'm gonna serve you a slice.
I can't wait to eat it.
You have to be a little careful, Daria, it's very hot. So this is a great snack. So this is a great after-school snack because it's nice and filling, and if your child has a lot of homework, it's a perfect thing to just kind of set on the table and say enjoy. You can give it as with the side of ketchup, or you can even just give it on its own, or you can even add like tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, anything that your kids or you like. So I'm gonna have Daria try some now. I'm gonna blow it for you because it's hot. I think that's the most enthusiastic I've seen her all season. What does it taste like? Tastes like sausages? So it kind of resembles a pizza and it kind of tastes like one as well, except that it's much healthier. So as we enjoy ours, why don't you enjoy yours? Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Please subscribe.